continuation of the retirement benefits. Section 3. Retirement under CBA or contract. 3.1. Any employee may retire or be retired by his employer upon reaching the retirement age established in the collective bargaining agreement or other applicable employment contract subject to the provision of Section 5 hereof on the payment of retirement benefits. In case of retirement under this section, the employee shall be entitled to receive such retirement benefits as he may have earned under existing law and any collective bargaining agreement and other agreements provided. However, that any employee's retirement benefits under any collective bargaining and other agreements shall not be less than these provided under this rule, and provided further that if such benefits are less, the employer shall pay the difference between the amount due the employee under this rule and that provided under the collective bargaining agreement or other applicable employment contract. 3.3. Where both the employer and the employee contribute to a retirement fund in accordance with a collective bargaining agreement or other applicable employment contract. The employer's total contribution thereto shall not be less than the total retirement benefits to which the employee would have been entitled had there been no such retirement day. In case the employer's contribution is less than the retirement benefits provided under this rule, the employer shall pay the deficiency. Section 4. Optional, compulsory retirement. 4.1. Optional retirement. In the absence of a retirement plan or other applicable agreement providing for retirement benefits or employees in an establishment, an employee may retire upon reaching the age of 60 years more if he has served for at least 5 years in said establishment. 4.2. Compulsory retirement. Where there is no such plan or agreement referred to in the immediately preceding subsection, an employee shall be retired upon reaching the age of 65 years. 4.3. Upon retirement of an employee, whether optional or compulsory, his services may be continued or extended on a case basis upon agreement of the employer and employee. 4.4. Service requirement. The minimum length of at least 5 years required for entitlement in retirement pay shall include authorized absences and vacations, regular holidays, and mandatory fulfillment of a military or civic duty. And this is the end of our presentation.